everyone, and welcome back. So the first use case we are going to explore is using Leonardo.AI for creating marketing materials. Imagine you work as a social media manager for an eco-friendly tour company that offers guided nature experiences. You'd like to create captivating social media content to inspire your subscribers to start planning their next trip. And you want this content to showcase the scenic beauty of your locations without investing in complex and expensive location photo shoots. You can use Leonardo AI to create images for your company's Instagram feed, stories, and reel covers. From the home page, open image creation function. Next, type in your prompt. I've prepared this one. Let's choose a model lifelike vision. Choose between fast and quality generation modes. For Instagram posts, select square aspect ratio. And for my work, I'll stick to 4 generated images. Let's click Generate to see the first results. We've achieved very decent results with the first iteration. Here is what you can do to improve them even further. First of all, you can experiment with choosing different preset styles instead of standard dynamic one offered by Leonardo AI by default. You can also choose one or several elements from the collection of elements offered by Leonardo. And if you generate photos like in my example, you can enable photoreal function for more realistic images. To do this, go to Advanced Settings and activate photoreal. Let's see what results we'll get this time. Notice that the number of tokens required for this generation has been significantly increased, since when you select photoreal, Leonardo switches from fast to quality generation mode. So please keep this in mind when working with photoreal. Awesome results. The colors are very vivid and all the pictures are very photorealistic. Oftentimes, you need to generate images in a specific style unique to your brand. Let's say that for your next set of images, you'd like to mimic this eco-friendly miniature photography style. So let's use this image as a style reference for the next project. I'll first change my prompt to a new one. And as we agreed, let's add an image as a style reference. I'll leave all other settings unchanged and hit Generate. I like this miniature style. It is very cute. You can change the strength of the style reference from medium to high if you would like to increase the style strength. Or you can add a second image as a style reference. For the demo, I've prepared this image that I'd like to add to my project as well. Let's do this and see what changes it will bring us. Here is an image. And actually, let's come back to medium style strength to begin with. I'll hit generate. If you'd like to decrease the number of tokens required for the generation, disable the photoreal function. We've got an interesting style effect. Actually, I like it more than the one we've got from the previous generation. And since we are experimenting, let me move the style strength to high and see the difference. All results look good, but I think that medium style strength works best for my project. If you are done with your experiments, download the image to upload it directly to your Instagram feed or to an editing software like Canva or Adobe Express if you need to further manipulate the image and add text or other elements. In the Q&A, please let me know what you think about this use case, and I'll see you in the next video.